Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a new Logic Pro project and locking down crucial settings: sample rate, tempo, and time signature. Once done, add a stereo audio track for your backing, an electronic click track, and any instrument tracks you need. Import your reference audio or MIDI now so you can align parts quickly. This saves edits later. Make sure to name and color code channels for fast navigation. By beginning with these items, you reduce confusion and speed up the rest of the process. Next, focus on arranging and shaping the sound. You build the backing by placing regions into clear sections: intro, verse, chorus, and group them in folders for quick edits. Once arranged, route instruments to buses, apply EQ and compression on the bus, and use sends for reverb to glue the mix. Use flex time and gentle quantize to tighten performance without making it robotic. While you work, keep checking levels and automation lanes so transitions and dynamic changes feel natural and intentional. To finish, balance your final mix, set your master limiter, and bounce either stems or a full stereo backing in the format you need. Once exported, test the track with the click and in the same playback environment musicians will use. Make sure monitoring levels and phase are correct. If something sounds off, check routing, confirm sample rates match, and enable plug-in latency compensation. If timing shifts persist, reopen the project, consolidate regions, and rebounce to eliminate remaining sync or processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.